Instant Vortex Plus Dual ClearCook Air Fryer Inox is a stylish and versatile kitchen appliance. It features a sleek stainless steel exterior that adds a modern touch to your kitchen decor. With its dual basket design and ClearCook technology, you can enjoy the benefits of air frying, roasting, baking, grilling, reheating, and dehydrating. The two separate baskets allow you to cook different dishes simultaneously, while the ClearCook technology ensures optimal airflow and even cooking results. The appliance is equipped with user-friendly controls, including a touch-screen display, making it easy to adjust temperature and cooking time. Cleaning is a breeze with the removable parts and non-stick coatings. Whether you're preparing crispy fries, juicy meats, or healthy snacks, the Instant Vortex Plus Dual ClearCook Air Fryer Inox offers convenience, style, and delicious results. Functionally, there is not any differences between the Inox variant and the regular, black variant of the Instant Vortex Plus Dual ClearCook Air Fryer. Both versions should offer the same features, cooking capabilities, and performance. The choice between the regular variant and the Inox variant primarily comes down to personal preference and how well the stainless steel finish matches your kitchen aesthetic.